How to build life-changing habits that stick and why most people fail. Picture this. You wake up one morning full of motivation, ready to hit the gym, start reading daily, or finally learn that new skill. But a few days later, you stop. The excitement fades. The habit dies. Why does this happen? And more importantly, how can you make habits stick for life? In this video, we're breaking down the science of habit formation into practical steps you can apply immediately. No vague theories, just actionable strategies that work. Stick around till the end because I'll share one surprising habit hack that 99% of people overlook, but it's the key to long-term success. Now let's get started. Part 1, the hidden power of habits. Imagine two people standing at the base of a mountain. One has a clear path, well-marked trails, and the right tools. The other, a steep, rocky climb with no guidance. Which one reaches the top? Success isn't about willpower. It's about the system you build. Your habits are the trails that determine your path. Part 2, the habit loop, how your brain works against you. Every habit follows a simple loop. 1. Cue, the trigger that starts the habit. 2nd, routine, the action itself. 3. Reward, the reason your brain wants to repeat it. Let's take an example. You get a notification, you check your phone, you feel a small dopamine hit. The more you repeat this cycle, the deeper the habit forms. But here's the trick. You can reprogram this loop for positive habits. Practical tip. If you want to start reading daily, place a book next to your coffee mug. Your morning coffee becomes the cue to start reading. Part 3, the 2-minute rule. Make it so easy you can't fail. Ever noticed how hard it is to start a workout, but easy to continue once you begin? That's because the hardest part is starting. The 2-minute rule solves this. Start with a habit so small that it's impossible to fail. Want to work out? Just do 1 push-up. Want to read? Just read 1 sentence. Want to meditate? Just take 1 deep breath. Once you start, your brain naturally wants to continue. Part 4, identity-based habits. Become the person you want to be. Most people focus on outcomes, but real change happens when you focus on identity. Instead of saying, I want to read more, say, I am a reader. Instead of, I want to be fit, say, I am the type of person who never misses a workout. When your habits align with your identity, they become effortless. Practical tip. Every time you complete a habit, say to yourself, I am this person. Your brain will start believing it. Part 5, the Goldilocks rule, how to stay motivated for years. If a habit is too easy, you get bored. If it's too hard, you get frustrated. The sweet spot? Slightly beyond your current ability. A runner who can do 5K should aim for 6K, not a marathon. A guitarist who knows 5 chords should learn 2 more, not an entire song. Practical tip. Always aim for 4% growth, just enough challenge to stay engaged. Part 6, the secret habit hack. No one talks about. Here's what most people miss: habit tracking and reward stacking. The brain loves visual progress. When you track a habit, your brain sees momentum and wants to continue. Practical tip. Use a habit tracker. Put an X on a calendar every time you complete your habit. Your goal? Never break the chain. But here's the twist. Stack rewards. If you complete 10 workouts, buy yourself new workout gear. If you read daily for a month, treat yourself to a new book. If you wake up early for a week, allow a weekend sleep in. Stacking rewards keeps motivation high. Change your life starting now. You now have every tool you need to build habits that stick. Make them easy. Attach them to existing routines. Focus on identity. Track progress. Reward yourself. But here's the thing. Knowledge is useless without action. Right now, I challenge you to pick 1 small habit and do it immediately. Just 2 minutes, just 1 step. Comment below, what habit are you starting today? And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more deep dive content like this. Your future self will thank you. See you in the next one.